In this quick guide, we'll show you how to withdraw your cryptos securely and efficiently. First, head to your Giottus dashboard and navigate to the withdraw section. You'll see a message prompting you to add a new address. Click on Add New Address. Here, enter the withdrawal address and select your destination exchange. If your exchange isn't listed, simply choose the other option. Next, under Label, specify where you're sending the funds, whether it's your personal wallet or elsewhere. If it's a universal address like Ethereum, check the box to confirm it and it can be used for multiple coins. After filling out the details, select Add New Address. You'll receive an OTP on your registered email and mobile. Enter the OTP to confirm. Check your email for a crypto withdrawal verification message. Confirm the message to proceed, and your crypto withdrawal address will be added. Now, click on Select and go to the Continue option. Enter the quantity you want to withdraw from Giottus and click on the next option. You'll receive an OTP on your registered email ID. Enter the OTP to confirm. Check your email for a crypto withdrawal verification message. Confirm the message to proceed. Now you can go back to your dashboard, go to the crypto deposit and withdrawal history option, and your withdrawal details will be displayed on your dashboard. Happy trading! Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.